this is how you vacuum a pool. First things first, get this bad boy and you toss it in. Should have this laying around somewhere. You're gonna need this later. Put that in the water. Remove these. You just pull them out. Okay. Next thing is you want both of those ends in the water, and then you remove this cap to let the air out. And then you just make sure the whole thing is submerged. All the air comes out. Alright, good to go. Plug it, and then you take your white end and you shove it right here into the hole as far as it'll go. And just check your hose for any air bubbles or anything in it. Yep, looks fine to me. Alright. Take this piece off. Make sure it stays under the water. Son of a bitch. Okay. Once you got that done, take your second plug and you just plug that hole. And it should all be going through there. And you're set.